Introducing the Redmi 13 5G, a budget-friendly phone that's making waves in the market. Is this the ultimate budget phone for you? Let's dive into what the top reviewers have to say. TechBar highlights the good design and build quality, along with decent camera performance. However, they mention the average battery life and limited availability of high RAM variants as drawbacks. Overall, they rate it a 7 out of 10. GSMArena praises the solid display and chipset, along with good camera quality. On the downside, they point out the lack of stereo speakers and an under-display fingerprint reader, plus underwhelming battery life. Despite these issues, they consider it a decent mid-ranger, giving it a 7 out of 10. Godi Tech notes the budget-friendly pricing and the impressive 108-megapixel dual AI camera. They find the design a bit bulky and mention average sunlight visibility. Overall, they are pleased with the display quality and performance, giving it an 8 out of 10. In the meantime, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Trakin Tech appreciates the upgraded specs and glass back at a budget price. However, they find it slightly heavy with single-speaker audio. They praise the display, camera, and smooth performance, rating it 8.5 out of 10. Technology Gyan highlights the good camera quality and decent battery life. They mention average performance and slight frame drops during gaming. They conclude that the Redmi 13 5G is a good budget 5G phone with improved features and design, offering a good overall experience, but not suitable for heavy gaming. They rate it an 8 out of 10. So, there you have it. The Redmi 13 5G has received a range of reviews with highlights on its design, camera, and budget-friendly pricing, but some concerns about battery life and performance. Is it the right budget phone for you? Let us know in the comments below.